Ugg here with 2 Salt Travel, and I want to show you today how to use your hemostats to set your depth for your bobber when you're fly fishing with nymph rigs on still water. So basically what I do is I click my hemostats onto my bottom fly. Make sure you double click it, or else it might spring loose and you'll lose your hemostats. And then I just go ahead and drop this thing down there. And when it stops, that'll tell you that that's the bottom right there. And I want to suspend my bobber just a couple of feet up off the bottom. So actually I'm set just about perfect there with these bobber stops. Don't forget that you have the hemos on before you go to cast again. I'll try not to tangle this rig too much as I'm getting them back up here. And that's how you set your depth using your hemostats for nymphing in still water. Thanks.